Hi everyone, my name is Mike Miazga. I'm the IT manager here at the Toro Water District. I've been with the district for 18 years and I've seen a lot of changes over that time. One of the larger all-encompassing changes was when we digitized our Atlas books. We used to have 2 of these Atlas books in every truck. Now we have everything on an iPad. One of the requirements when we did this was that the iPad had to work disconnected. We had to be able to get to our as-builts and all of our infrastructure in a disconnected mode. We're in an earthquake zone here and cell towers go down. That's the most important time that we need our as-builts and we need our maps and our infrastructure. So that was a big selling point for us to go with Nobel GeoViewer. We do use Nobel GeoViewer district-wide, from customer service to pump stations to operations, all across the district. They are able to pass work order tickets back and forth, work on them in unison, and it works great that way. At the end of the month, we can run a report and we can see exactly what work has been done in the field, how many valves have been turned, how many customer service orders have been worked on. We can print a master report and hand it right into management to hand to the board of directors as well. We've done a lot for collections over the 3 years that we've been with Nobel. As far as collections applications, we have a hotspot application, we have a sewer trouble ticket application, which they can then turn into a sewer work order. We have a line cleaning application, CCTV inspections. You can click on a main line in the GeoViewer Online version, and you can then play the last CCTV video from that main line. We have a manhole inspection application, manhole repair, manhole recoat, manhole root pulling, and manhole root cutting. They keep track of all of that in GeoViewer. They also have a lateral list that they clean yearly. And we have a fog inspection where they can inspect the restaurants for fat, soil, and grease. They can then have the restaurant manager sign it. They sign it. They can email it directly to the restaurant. They don't have to come back and mail it, anything like that. So it's been a very good 3 years with Nobel. They've developed a lot for us, and it's been a very good partnership. We're very happy with them. Thank you.
My name is Daniel Roscoe. We use our Nobel system for our sewer line cleaning, our CCTV. It works out for us because we use it on our daily basis as far as intrusions of roots. We can flag any issues we have, our hotspots and infiltration, and it's been working very well for us. And, it's good to get away from any paperwork that we have. So, yes, thank you for your time.
Hello, Ed Peterson, Toro Water District. I'm a crew chief in the collections department. We are using Nobel software for about 3 years now. It's helped us with our maintenance of our system. It's helping us track our cleaning, our TVing, our root cutting, our manhole inspections, cockroach inspections, you name it. It's pretty much covering all the maintenance needs for the collection department. It's helped us come into a more modern era as far as not having to track with Excel or paper products. We like that we're able to design it to our needs, to what we want. So it's been very successful for El Toro Water District. Maintenance, we have a couple guys out cleaning, we have a couple guys out TVing, we have somebody going out and performing inspections on restaurants and source control. So that's our daily activities that we take care of. And then, like I said, the software just helps us keep track of all this that needs to be done. So that's usually the daily activities. The maintenance software has helped us tremendously because now we don't have to try to remember when we are going to perform these maintenance tasks. It's made it almost automatic. We want these tasks to be done yearly, and we want them set up to where we don't have to remember. We'll automatically see which month they'll start in that we're going to perform this maintenance, and that takes out the remembering or guesswork. So that's where it's helped the customers by helping us to make sure that we're performing our maintenance that we're supposed to be doing, which is required by the state, in your SSMPs. So it's been a great help, a great asset to us. Yeah, we've set up these buckets as our tools to maintain our system. We've set it up to where we do the root cutting on a yearly basis. The line cleaning is on a 2-year cycle, and the TVing is on a 5-year cycle. We've also set up these buckets as tools for water deposit removal out of main lines, and other various maintenance tasks that we do. And we also have our fog program set up in here to do the restaurants, to maintain the fog program. It allows us to do the inspections at the restaurants to make sure that they're following our guidelines. So these tools have come in really handy for us, setting it up the way we wanted it set up. It's worked out really well for us.
And when we go to inspect, it gives you all our upstream, our downstreams, the length of our pipe and the size of our pipe and the material it's made from. And take inspection, it'll give you all the data on it, the time, the date, location, and if you're going with flow, if it's we put down what the condition is, if it's accessible or an inaccessible pipe, and if we find water deposits, then we'll flag it. And further on down the line, we'll clear the water deposits with sewer cleaning trucks. So once we finish cleaning the line, it'll go from a red segment, which is not CCTV yet, and once completed, it'll turn over to a green segment, showing that it's been done and completed.
You can kind of see this area has all been done except for that part right there.
When we encounter any roots or water deposits or any obstructions, we're able to flag it through the Nobel system, and it'll populate in our bucket systems we have here. So if we came across roots, we'd flag that particular line segment, and it'll show up as an issue here. When you open that bucket up on our district map, it'll show you where that problem was at. So once you finish cutting that root problem, the red bucket goes over to the green as a completed line segment.
Hi, my name is Ralph Palomares. I'm the Source Control Inspector and Collections Supervisor. I've been here 40 years. When I first started, we were putting everything in books and in paper, tracking it, spill coffee on it, it's done. Today, the guy's using the Nobel software program on iPads where they can track the daily footage, cleaning. Everything can go to our supervisors up in our other office every day or monthly just to track what we do as far as reports. The crew members seem to like it. We've got it down to where Nobel has done exceptionally good for what we want, so we're extremely happy. Thank you.
And the regional water board wants to do an inspection, an audit of us, which they're doing, the water districts, an audit. We can tell the inspector, no, we have the Nobel program. For the last 3 years, it's tracked everything we've done. Footage, root cutting, inspections, source control inspections, broken pipe repairs. It's all tracked now on that program. We don't write it in because a lot of people write it in, but it's not actual true. But with this, it's there, documented. It's documented as long as we keep it there, 5 years, 10 years. And our board can see it too, our water district board. They see what we're doing and we say, oh, we need a new camera. We need some more software updates. Okay, well, we'll give you the money because we like it. It's working for you guys. I've recommended the Nobel software program to some of my friends in other districts because they were looking for stuff. How can we do this better? But not so much writing.